2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, fog lights, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.